live and work in our beautiful valley. It's time for Yakima Good.
Well, over the years, the LGBTQ+ community has faced an uphill and down battle with state legislators, with many politicians taking aim at the community, both in support and against, signing many new laws into effect. But now an organisation in our state is hoping to create change, one community at a time, and do Yakima Good. We're joined now by reporter Adrian Delgado. Adrian, what is this organisation all about?
Well, John, Entre Hermanos, or Between Brothers in English, are an organization that are here in Washington, and I went to meet with them to discover what their goals are and how through their efforts they're doing Yakima Good. Entre Hermanos came into being way back in the spring of 1991 when the HIV/AIDS crisis was at an all-time high. A group of gay, lesbian, bisexual, and transgender Latinos saw a need for a cultural appropriate environment with disease prevention, education, advocacy, community building, and other services as needed across Washington state.
Entre Hermanos was sponsored by POCAN in the past. POCAN stands for People of Color Against AIDS Networks. And a few years later, Entre Hermanos received their own 501c3 accreditation. And since then, we've been our own organization. In 2001, Entre Hermanos received a charter from the state of Washington to operate as a nonprofit organization. And now, after 31 years of hard work, Entre Hermanos continues working for the well-being of the LGBTQ+ Latino community and others through programs that help to navigate the American healthcare, immigration, justice systems, and also advocating for people that are primarily Spanish-speaking, undocumented, and living below the poverty line. And it is important for our community, for our youth, for our younger adults, for older adults to know that there's a place where they feel safe and can ask any questions without fear of being judged.
Entre Hermanos removed language barriers and eased access to critical services like Spanish language sexual health programs, free HIV/STI testing, support groups and case management for people living with HIV, advocacy for trans and gender nonconforming individuals, and even legal services and clinics for immigrants and asylum seekers.
We also have condom distribution, so if you want condoms, please call us 206-322-7700, and we'll be able to send you a bag of condoms. And our care team focuses on people living with HIV.
Entre Hermanos wants to continue marching into the future, always progressing and offering more services far and wide in the state of Washington. For more information about Entre Hermanos, you can go to KIMATV.com or call the number you see on your screen. In Yakima, Adrian Delgado, KIMA Action News.